Yeah.
I'll get another clip.
Time to get paid. Stayed up midnight country. Paranoid overthinking. Say your life ain't the same way it seems. Time to get paid.
What's up, guys? It's Brooke ZL1's sister on deer.
Juan Deere.
Juan Deere.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got another exhaust video. This time with the SS1LE that we did the wiper bill on recently. I know it's another exhaust video, but unlike the last exhaust, which was just a muffler delete, this is a AWE Touring that he recently got, and they look amazing. So we're about to open it up and take a look at it and install it.
I don't know why you want to see in here, but...
Ooh.
Bro, slam it shut for a transition.
Yes.
Where you want it at?
Yes.
Oh.
Could you do your damn job?
Yeah, do your damn job.
Why does it come with the blow?
I don't know, but I'm not good experience.
I want to buy this exhaust now.
Ooh.
Comes with a blow pop. You know.
Ooh. Spicy.
No cap.
No cap. Bro.
You want to see the tip difference in the back?
What size is that?
4.5.
Bro, 4.5 inch tips.
Some of the tip difference, bro.
Oh, bro.
Compared to stock.
Let's go get a live comparison. Woo! Connor hit me with it.
Dang, boy.
Hit me with it.
Dang. I'm busted.
Damn, she thick.
Why she's not fit, bro? It fit on a 2019 that I saw, so it better fit on a 2018.
Alright guys, so here are the tips, like y'all saw. 4.5 inch black diamond paint. Looks absolutely sick. It's gonna look sick against this car.
Well, lights on the inside are red, trunk lights red, so it's true.
Can you change the inside color so that the trunk color will change real quick?
That's why I hear when you talk.
How do you understand me, bro? Wait, show us the changing colors in the trunk.
Bro, it's either red or it's off.
Wow.
Yeah, bro.
Ooh. Oh. Ooh.
This shit busting. Alright, bro. Let's. Where the do you even jack these up at?
Alright, so fun fact, on these 6th gen Camaros, if you want to jack it up and you don't have a lift, you know, you're a regular person, you get you a little jack, regular old jack. It's got regular pinch welds where you jack the car up. Which is right here. They got the cutout for it right here. And then the other two in front are right up there as well. They got the cutouts where you can see that little divot there. So for the exhaust, all we have to do is get it right here on that pinch weld, jack it up on both sides, and get to working. I'm still very upset at that. Alright guys, so we got the jack up on this side. We don't have any jack stands, so do not, real quick PSA, this is not a recommendation to do. Do not get under the vehicle with just a jack. It is very unsafe. Please have jack stands on both sides. We unfortunately are not as prepared as we should be. Anyways, just a jack, do not do that.
We're gonna hang out with everybody. And Frank.
We're doing a survey shopping, and you wouldn't have it
Hey, babe.
Uh-huh.
The other day, you know how you
I'll be checking for some questions.
Okay.
So the other day we were sitting in the car.
This. We'll go up under this car like so. And I made my marks. I have marks at 2 inches from the chassis, just like or the cross member, whatever I said. And we're gonna make my cut. And this is gonna go smoothly, but it's
Hey, we did it. How do you feel, bud?
Damn, bro, that's fast as hell. That's a good ass sauce on.
Bruh. Oh no.
Bro, this is not good.
Wait, did you?
This is not good.
Did we not make the cut? Did we might? Oh, bro, we're definitely not cut all the way through.
Dude, this is
¿Qué pasó?
we almost made it all the way through, and then you know the blade decided. Instead of doing a muffler delete, we did a blade delete. Bro.
Oh, damn, it's close. That's what she said.
It is. I mean, I can get this crooked thing in here. Who's getting started?
Neighbors left.
Here we go.
How do?
Did
it bend again?
It's got the tiniest bit left.
Is it through?
Yes.
Like dead ass?
I got it.
Did it fall back there?
It's
I mean, it's all the way through. Like, I can see. Look.
Oh, there we go. Hey. Hey, first time.
Actually, technically, yeah.
No bolts. I promise you.
Hey, bro, chill, bro. Hey,
It looks, dude, it looks straight in video. Look,
it's
look.
fine.
Get that ass look straight. Look at the
It's
video.
fine.
That one don't look too straight.
Fine.
This one's perfect
Listen,
though.
bro, it's fine.
Got the exhaust out of the car, looking minty,
Bruh.
and that's gonna wrap up the video, man. We appreciate you.
How do you answer that when you're on the spot?
Yes or no? I have not. It feels like it would be painful. All right, so here's the clamp.
Depends.
Clamp. You put on to the stock exhaust. We need the hammer.
You're just gonna hear a ting ting ting. Ah.
I know we had a muff.
Marrano in this.
Maran.
Did you say Mariah?
What is going on, bro?
Coronavirus.
Bro, somebody bring that sexy exhaust over here.
I'm always loud. That's
You want
what
that
say.
side?
Either side.
How's it looking, bro, guy?
It's looking like you're really annoying me with your talking.
That's what you sound like.
I almost dropped this, bro. Don't make me laugh right now. I almost dropped this. Hey, bro, somebody put.
Alright, now get that piece on first, and
I'm
then
trying, but Austin didn't cut it straight.
move the out of the way.
He didn't cut it straight.
Move the out of the way. I'm gonna break this.
Let me try it, baby. For real.
I'm literally right there.
Let me try.
I'm not even
Oh,
looking.
God.
Alright, just
I'm scared.
watch out. Watch out.
All right.
I'm scared.
It shouldn't
Who's
fall.
gonna slide out first?
Let me
Oh,
try it.
I
You-
can't. I'm holding
Brian,
it up.
Brian, hold it up.
Oh yeah, you're fine.
This is snug? Cause that bitch moving. This gonna be just like that. Like this?
No. He's just trying to get it
Just
like.
like that.
Oh, so it's like, oh, so this one isn't fully tightened. This
Isn't
one
that how it
isn't.
goes?
This one isn't fully tightened.
No.
Oh, okay, bro. I was about to say because
I
if
thought
so,
it was getting snug up.
Alrighty guys, so as you can see, it's the next day. We ended up wrapping it up for the night. We were obviously using the Sawzall and it was like 12:30 at night. We ended up cutting it quits. Got everything to fit, and except for the tips, the clamps on the tips were just slightly not like doing what they were supposed to do. They're kind of like a bit loose. So he went ahead and took them to the exhaust shop. They just ended up tack welding it. Ended up looking great. As you can see, they stick out a good bit, 4.5-inch tips, and that color just looks amazing on the car. I'm about to put some exhaust clips in. Alright, you guys, so that's going to do it for the video. Y'all let me know what y'all think of the exhaust AWE Touring. Definitely sounds amazing, and for the price, it's pretty good compared to like Corsa and Borla. I might have to look into it for this yellow one, you never know. But yeah, y'all let me know what you think of in the comments. Be sure to go follow him on Instagram, and we'll see you in the next one.
Speeding through the block, bitch telling. You won't believe how many times I done and lost control. Now I ain't loose, but y'all smell me. You won't believe.